Welcome to HybridHero. Let's learn about where to find your booking history. HybridHero provides users with several ways to check their booking history through the Dashboard, Locate, and Plan tab. In the dashboard, you can easily view the bookings for the entire week and navigate between previous, current, and next weeks by adjusting the calendar. In the Locate tab, select a location and designated floor. Then choose a specific date from the calendar to see bookings displayed on the floor plan. The On This Floor panel on the right will show bookings for all the teams. In the Plan tab, to view the booking history for a specific location, select View by Location and select the desired location and floor to see the entire month's bookings. If you prefer to view bookings of your team, select the team from the dropdown, which will display all bookings of your team for the entire month. Feel free to reach out to us with any questions at support@hybridhero.com or simply leave a comment or message for more information.